The website you'll be using for the Friends project will be wix.com. As one of the students described it, it's like Twix without the T. So you'll want to go to www.wix.com. You will click Get Started. You will click Continue with Google. And then you will want to use your school email account. So I will just click that. You should be logged in, so it should be good. You'll say Skip. Choose a template. Now, you're going to see a lot of pretty sites or templates to choose from, but I'm going to caution you against choosing those purely because if I chose this one, I'd have to go delete every word, delete every picture, all of those things, and change them out to be my own. So where you want to go is to blank templates. From there, you will see there are several blank templates with placeholders for pictures and text and all of that. Those good things that you can choose from. The one thing that I will say that I do not want you to use is the one-page layout. Do not use this site. It won't give you the option to have pages like the project requirement requires you to have. So honestly, the best one is like strip header layout or minimal layout. So I'm going to choose strip header layout. And if I would just want to preview it but would not commit to it yet, I'll click View. But if I'm like, yep, that's what I want, I'm going to say Edit. I'll give it a minute to load. Okay, from there you'll see that there are lots of placeholders in place for you, but the very first thing that you're going to want to do is edit your menu bar. So you're going to want to click on the menu, say Manage Menu, and to be honest, these aren't going to be really set up the way you want them to be set up, so I'm just going to right click on them, or click on the three dots, not right click, say Delete, and delete all of them except for the home page. Okay, from there I'm going to say Add Page. I'm going to rename this next one My Friends. Done. Add another page. Rename this one Social Media. Done. Add another page. This one I would call My First Friend. And you can use either just their first name or their first and last name. Add another one. And then your third friend. Remember, fourth friend for extra credit. Remember to stay consistent in your capitalization throughout. Now, these are all right now parent pages, and I want them to be sub-pages, so I just need to click on them, drag them up under My Friends, and drag in. Up, in, and you can order them whatever order you want. And from there, you can also play with the page transitions, how they look when you go from page to page. From here, then, you're ready to go. Up here is where you're going to navigate from which page you want to edit in. The next thing I want to note is the header and the footer, or the header, body, and footer. Anything you put in the header is going to show up on every single page, so it's really important that you don't drag your menu down into the body, because by doing that you will lose it when you go to the next page. This plus sign, the add, is where you're going to find all of your options. Text, image, gallery, all of the different things that you're going to want to play with and click around on and use.